high above the clouds, where Earth touches the sky, एक majestic mountain stand करता है, Himalayas. For centuries, this mountain have been just snow covered, and this mountain has been source of river, forest, culture, and life itself. लेकिन आज Himalaya is in danger. Climate change is melting these mountains silently, steadily, and dangerously. Let's understand why this matter the most. And this would be understood not just with the perspective of people living over here, but for us all. Himalayas stretch across 5 countries: India, Nepal, Bhutan, China, and Pakistan, and cover about 2,400 kilometers. They are home to Mount Everest, Kanchenjunga, and hundreds of other peaks that are more than 7,000 meters. In fact, 14 8,000ers. So there are 14 mountains in the world that have the height more than 8,000 meters, and all the 14 8,000ers are there in Himalaya. But their importance go far beyond their beauty or adventure. Himalayas are water tower of Asia. From these glaciers that basically lie on Himalaya, greater river of the continent basically arises. चाहे गंगा की बात करें, यमुना, ब्रह्मपुत्र, इंदस, and many more. Over 1.5 billion people rely on these rivers for drinking water, irrigation, and energy. Thus, Himalaya is not just a mountain, it is a lifeline. Along with their geographic importance, Himalayas are treasure of biodiversity. They host thousands of species of plant and animals, many of which are found nowhere else. From elusive snow leopard to red panda, from alpine flowers like rhododendrons, from ancient pine forest to the ecosystem, these are museum of evolution. And don't forget, people, indigenous community like Bhutias, Lepchas, Monpas, and Sherpas have lived in these mountains in harmony for centuries. These mountains are mountains that have carried their history for generations. इनका जीवन, इनका धर्म, इनकी सभ्यता, सब कुछ हिमालय है. But now all this is under threat. The glacier of Himalayas are melting, and they are melting faster than ever before. Scientific studies have shown that Himalayan glaciers are retreating at an average rate of 15 to 20 meters per year, and this is one of the highest glacial retreat rate. Some of may lose up to 75% of their ice by the end of this century. Why? Because global temperature are rising, and in Himalayas they are rising twice as fast as global average. Imagine the glacier that took thousands of years to form are vanishing just in few decades. जब ग्लेशियर पिघलते हैं तो नदियां बदल जाती हैं. Their flow changes, the course of river changes, their timing changes. Water that should have been stored in form of ice for summer month is released in early spring, causing irregular flow. This leads to water scarcity in summer, flood in spring, an unprecedented cycle that hurt both nature and people. Farmers cannot plant their crops properly in the plain. Hydropower plant face dry periods, and obviously energy generation suffer. City experience drinking water shortage. ये सिर्फ हिमालय की नहीं, पूरे इंडियन सबकॉन्टिनेंट की एक क्राइसिस के रूप में उभर करके आ रहा है. And this is not just water. The melting of glacier are warming temperature and have made Himalaya more dangerous. The number of natural disaster is rising. Flood, landslide, avalanche, and glacial lake outburst flood, also called GLOF. These occur when melting ice create unstable lake, and if wall of the lake under which they are contained breaks, massive flood rush down the mountains, destroying everything in their path. उत्तराखंड के चमोली में 2021 का जो डिजास्टर हुआ था, that was a result of such glacial outburst. Hundreds of lives were lost, village disappeared, infrastructure worth crore were washed away, and this is becoming much more frequent, ज़्यादा intense हो रहा है, and much more deadly. But the true cost of climate change in Himalaya is being paid by the local people who live there. Villages that have existed for centuries are now becoming unlivable. Glaciers are drying, crops are failing, livestock are dying, and people are forced to leave their ancestral home at the Himalayas. These climate migration is already happening. Many Himalayan farmers have seen their apple orchard shift uphill. In Himachal and Uttarakhand, traditional crops are no longer viable. पानी की कमी, मिट्टी का खिसकना और लगातार बदलते मौसम ने उनका जीवन मुश्किल बना दिया है. But despite all this, communities are showing resilience. Some are harvesting rainwater, some are switching to new climate resilient crop, others are training their youth in ecotourism and conservation. ये संघर्ष की कहानी एक उम्मीद बयां करती है. So what can be done? क्या ये सब कुछ रोकना संभव है? The answer is yes, but only if we act now. First, we need a strong global cooperation. Climate change has no borders. What happens in New York or Beijing affects Leh and Gangotri. Countries must reduce their carbon emission, adopt green technology, and invest in sustainable development. Second, we need to empower Himalayan communities. Local knowledge, local leadership, and local solution are essential. These people are first to face climate change. They should be first in line for help and support. Thirdly, we must raise awareness. हर इंसान का रोल है, चाहे वो स्टूडेंट है या पॉलिसी मेकर है, टीचर है या यूट्यूबर है, अपने लाइफस्टाइल को सस्टेनेबल बनाना, अवेयरनेस स्प्रेड करना एंड गवर्नमेंट से अकाउंटेबिलिटी मांगना. दीज आर ऑल स्टेप्स दैट वी नीड टू टेक टुडे. हिमालय सिर्फ एक ज्योग्राफिकल फीचर नहीं है. दीज आर प्रोटेक्टर, दीज आर स्टोर्स ऑफ आवर वाटर, शेप आवर वेदर एंड शेल्टर आवर कल्चर. ये अगर पिघल गए तो सिर्फ बर्फ नहीं पिघलेगी, बल्कि जो हिमालय के नीचे रहने वाली जिंदगी है, जो प्लेन्स की जिंदगी है, ये भी पिघल जाएगी. We still have time, but not forever. Let us protect the Himalayas, not just for ourselves, but for our future generation. Let us listen to this cry for these silent giants before it is too late. कैसा लगा आपको ये एनालिसिस? कमेंट करके बताएं. लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब, and stay tuned for more videos.